Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The English Friend. I'm Emily, and with me today is my good friend Paul. Hi, Paul.
Hey, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm so excited for today's lesson. I think it's going to make everyone hungry.
You're right, Paul, because today we're going to talk about food and drinks, how to order food, talk about your favorite meals, and how to discuss eating at home versus restaurants in English.
Yummy. Okay, let's start before I start dreaming about pizza.
All right, Paul, let's begin with something simple. How do we talk about meals? We usually have 3 main meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And don't forget snacks. I always need snacks between meals.
Ha ha ha. Yes, Paul, snacks are small bites between meals. Let's ask our viewers, what's your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
I think my favorite is breakfast. I love eggs and toast with coffee.
Nice. My favorite is dinner, because I can relax and enjoy my food slowly. Okay, now let's imagine we're in a restaurant. Paul, you'll be the customer, and I'll be the waiter. Ready?
Sure, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, a table for 2, please.
Right this way. Here's your menu. What would you like to order?
I'll have tomato soup as an appetizer, grilled chicken for the main course, and ice cream for dessert. Oh, and a glass of orange juice, please.
Perfect choice. Would you like your chicken spicy or mild?
Mild, please. I'm not good with spicy food.
No problem. Your order will be ready soon. So, in this short dialogue, you learned some useful restaurant words: reservation, menu, appetizer, main course, dessert, order, and bill.
And also how to say your preference, like spicy or mild, or I'll have when you're ordering food.
Exactly. Let's repeat. I'll have grilled chicken, please. Can I have a coffee to go? Could I see the menu, please?
Perfect practice lines for real situations.
Now it's your turn, everyone. Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
With energy. I'll have a cup of coffee, please.
Can I get some water?
Could I have the bill, please?
1 pizza to go, please.
Great job, everyone. You're doing amazing.
And remember, in English, saying please and thank you always makes you sound polite and friendly. Paul, let's talk about this. Do you prefer eating at home or eating out?
I think eating at home is cheaper and more comfortable. But eating out is fun. No dishes to wash.
True. So when we say eat out, it means eating at a restaurant, not at home. Let's compare. Eating at home, you can cook your own food. It's usually healthier and cheaper. But it takes time and effort. Eating out, you can try new dishes and cuisines. It feels relaxing, but it can be expensive sometimes.
Exactly. So you can say, I usually eat out on weekends. I prefer home-cooked food. We ordered takeaway because we were too tired to cook.
Now let's look at some useful words and phrases for today's topic. Word, phrase meaning, example, sentence. Appetizer, small dish before the main meal. We ordered soup as an appetizer. Main course, the main part of a meal. My main course is grilled chicken. Dessert, sweet dish after a meal. Ice cream is my favorite dessert. Beverage, any kind of drink. What beverage would you like? Tea or juice? Chef, a person who cooks professionally. The chef made a special pasta today. Waiter/waitress, a person who serves food. The waiter brought our food quickly. Reservation, booking a table in advance. I made a reservation for 2 at 8 p.m. Taste, how food feels in your mouth. This curry has a rich taste. Fresh, recently made or picked. The fruit tastes so fresh. Juicy, full of juice and flavor. These mangoes are so juicy, crispy, firm and crunchy. I love crispy fries. Greasy, oily food. This burger is a bit too greasy. Portion, amount of food served. That's a big portion of rice. Customer, a person who buys food or drinks. The customer asked for extra sauce. Recipe, instructions for making food. My mom shared her pizza recipe with me. Now, let's practice these in real sentences.
Okay, I'll say the word, and you use it in a sentence.
Deal, let's go.
Crispy,
These fries are so crispy and hot.
greasy,
Hmm, this pizza is delicious but a bit greasy.
fresh.
The salad tastes really fresh and light.
Dessert,
Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert ever. Now let's do some quick mini conversations so our viewers can learn how to talk naturally.
all right, I'll start.
At a cafe.
Hi, can I get one coffee to go, please?
Sure. Would you like sugar or milk?
Just milk, please.
That'll be $2.
Thank you.
At a restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled fish and a lemonade, please.
Great choice. Would you like any dessert later?
Maybe chocolate cake. Thanks.
Talking with a friend.
What's your favorite food, Emily?
I love sushi. What about you?
Pizza, always pizza.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. 1. How to talk about meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. 2. How to order food politely in English. 3 useful vocabulary for restaurants. 4. How to compare eating at home versus eating out. 5 mini conversations for daily practice.
That's a lot of delicious English learning today.
Remember, learning English is like cooking. You need good ingredients, vocabulary, practice, and confidence. The more you practice, the tastier your English becomes.
Haha, I love that. So keep practicing every day. Talk about what you eat, and soon you'll speak English naturally.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The English Friend for more fun lessons. See you next time. And don't skip your dessert.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.